Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes Wi-Fi icon not showing problem fixed 2023. First method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Network and Internet. Second method is type Services in Windows search bar, click Services. Open WLAN Auto Config, change Startup type to Automatic, click Start the service, click Apply, click OK, restart the service. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Disable and re-enable Wi-Fi adapter. Fourth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Uninstall Wi-Fi adapter and restart system. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.